What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you another haul video. I know these are some of you guys' most favorite videos and they're fun videos to film. They're like my favorite videos to watch. I can't believe I'm filming the third video of 2018 already. How is it already going by so fast? But I'm back in the new year with my new glasses on. I'm trying something different for the video. A lot of you guys might not know this, but I have some major eyesight problems. I am always wearing my glasses to like focus the camera because I can never see what's going on. And I should actually probably wear glasses or contacts full time, but I really hate contacts. I haven't tried those since I was like 12 or 13. Maybe I should give them another shot. But I love how glasses give you a chance to accessorize with any outfit. I know when I was younger, I didn't really know of any options for finding cute glasses. Like these glasses right here are the cat eye glasses of my dreams. I've wanted these like my whole life and I finally have them. So these guys are from glassesusa.com. They're actually sponsoring today's video and I have a few other pairs to share with you guys. So I know, like I was saying, when I was younger I could never find like cute glasses to begin with, especially in my small little town, and like we didn't order glasses online back then. And also, they were always so expensive, so I was like never allowed to get a new pair. But now there are places like glassesusa.com and they offer super affordable glasses, free prescription lenses included. So basically they do that by cutting out the middleman, and their prices are up to 70% off normal retail prices, which is absolutely insane. They have over 2,500 different styles of eyeglasses and sunglasses, and that includes a variety of different designer brands as well. And they have a really wide variety of frame shapes, which you'll see as I'm showing you the ones that I picked out. So I have some different pairs for different outfits. Like I was saying, these are the cat eye glasses of my dreams, but I don't think they're perfect for every look. So it's nice that since they're so affordable, you can pick out a few different pairs for the price of one pair at many competitors. I'll be sure to put the names of all of these different pairs on the screen if you guys are interested in purchasing them too. So this next pair is for when I want to look a bit more like normal, toned down, but they also still have some attitude because they're bigger frames, which is what I generally like. It's a nice square frame. I think these are a bit more timeless than maybe the cat eye glasses, which are a bit trendy, or another pair that I'm about to show you. I've actually always wanted glasses like this as well, but I've tried some on before and they never look good on me, but I actually think these look okay. I think these are nice when you can't add like too much to your face, like if you're wearing a lot of jewelry or something. These blend in, but they do still have a bit of attitude to them. They also come in these super sleek black cases, which is nice. The last pair I'm probably the most excited about because I have never had prescription sunglasses, and I wish I would have had these when I was younger again, because now that I live in New York, I obviously don't drive very much, but when I would drive at home and it would get too sunny, I like didn't have anything to do. Now I have these, so I will definitely be using these in the future if I ever do any driving. And just in everyday life, it's nice because the world is so much more beautiful when you can actually see things. Like the first time I finally got glasses when I was like 12, I remember like driving home with them on and I thought everything was so beautiful. Besides my skin, I think. I realized that that wasn't as nice as I thought it was. Another really good thing to mention is that glassesusa.com offers free shipping and returns and also a 365-day warranty. So I'll have a link down below to the glasses that I shared with you guys, and also to their website. You can get 50% off by using my link. Okay, I have some more accessories to share with you guys. I just got some gloves in the mail and I was really needing these, thinking about purchasing a pair of gloves like this for quite some time. I actually ended up settling for some from ASOS for a couple different reasons. I had my eye on a pair of Margiela ones that were very similar and also a pair of Angela Meister ones that were similar, but they came in different sizes and they sold out of the smaller sizes really fast. I have really skinny arms, so the bigger sizes would not have worked for me, but I found these on ASOS, and a plus of these that the other nicer ones didn't have is that these are touchscreen compatible, which is really awesome. So these come up well over the elbow, The only thing I don't really like is this like scrunchy material, but I'll probably often be wearing them like under long sleeves and letting them peek out. I think these were around $40. They're vegan leather and they feel a lot nicer than I expected them to, so I'm really, really happy with these actually, and I can't wait to bring them on my trip next week. I'm going to Ireland and the UK, and I know it's gonna be a little bit chilly, probably about the same as it's been in New York, but I've been needing gloves for a while. Next, I have a belt, and I actually didn't buy this. My lovely boyfriend Avery made it for me. Actually, he was planning on making it for both of us, but then he made it a little bit too small and it doesn't fit him, which is pretty sad, but hey, it's all mine now. He actually did a video that was a little DIY, and he talked about the process and whatnot and how pretty much anybody can make this if they wanted to, and he like linked all the supplies you need, blah 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 blah. I will link it down below if you want to watch it. And if you're feeling too lazy to make one yourself or you're a bit scared about it, I think he's also planning to make some for anyone that wants one, so you can probably hit him up on Instagram or something. Anyways, it's a genuine leather belt, raw leather, so it's pretty stiff, but it's already starting to break into my body, which is really nice. A little hexagon buckle, some different D-rings all around. New favorite belt, Margiela belt that I always used to wear. Over it. Speaking of that, I'm not selling that one right now, but I do have quite a few things listed for sale on Depop and on Heroin right now. So I'll have my profile link down below in case you guys are interested in shopping the things that I'm selling, because I need to clear out my wardrobe a bit. The next piece is probably my new favorite piece, but also a piece that is really annoying at the same time. The Essence sale actually just ended. The Essence sale times happens twice a year. It's the best shopping time ever. They have the greatest markdowns and like all the cool designers. They usually style everything really well. A lot of other end of season sales are still going on, but that is often when I shop for designer pieces just because the markdowns are crazy. I got Avery his birthday present from the Essence sale. It's this Rick Owens t-shirt that is totally not a t-shirt at all. I'll insert a picture of it right here. It fits as a dress on me. It's really heavy. Feels like you're wearing like an x-ray, like when you get x-rays at the dentist and they put that vest on you, that's what it feels like, but has all these cool knots. I think something nice to have in his collection. I got it for like 70% off, so that was awesome. But then I kept going back and shopping a bit for myself. So this is from a designer that I've really been loving lately. I think you just say it A.W.A.K.E, but it stands for All Wonderful Adventures Kindle Enthusiasm, and it's a UK based brand, but this is the Octopus Tendrils jacket. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing, but come on guys, look at these sleeves. It's very tailored in at the waist. It's like a crinkled puffer material, but what is the most annoying about this is the buttons. Like, these are the hardest buttons to unsnap ever. I spent like 25 minutes, not kidding, unbuttoning them when the package first came in the mail, and I was so scared I was gonna rip the jacket. But I highly recommend you guys check out this brand if you're interested. They have so much cool stuff, and I think a lot of it is still on sale at other end of season sales that are going on, so I'll try to link some stuff down below, and if I can still find this jacket, I'll link it. But I know I snagged the last one from the Essence sale. And another very sad, very frustrating little story time. I ordered a bag that I've had my eye on for quite some time from a secondhand site. It was a Margiela white large 5AC bag. Been wanting a white bag. I actually wanted the medium size of it. I just kicked the tripod, sorry. I actually wanted the medium size of it, but then I saw the large and I got it for a pretty good price. So I bought it. And it passed quality check for them and everything, and then got the tracking from FedEx. I waited at home all day, so excited to get it. Turns out FedEx didn't need a signature for it, which is kind of weird for an expensive purchase. FedEx marked it as delivered. I had the notification on my phone. I sprinted down the steps as soon as I got the notification that it was marked delivered, literally like within a minute. No FedEx man there, no package. I like sprinted out my door, found the truck, like kind of chased it for like 15 blocks. This sounds really pathetic over a bag, but come on you guys, I'm sure some of you can understand. And never reached the truck, never got my bag, haven't got my money back. It's so sad. I've been really upset about it the past couple days, actually. Especially because it was a secondhand piece and like everyone loses basically, so yeah, unfortunate. Always happening with this apartment. It happened to Avery's boots a few weeks ago too, but I think they were probably stolen. New York City problems, but yeah, I'm never gonna get that bag. I could not be more frustrated about it. I hope that I can somehow get my money back, but it obviously looks like I'm lying because the package was marked as delivered. I'll have to get my landlord to look at the security cameras and see what's up. Anyways, that's my little story time and haul video. Make sure to check out glassesusa.com from the link down below if you guys are interested in buying any new glasses, whether you need a prescription or you don't. They have a lot of cool options. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. If you want to keep up with me while I'm traveling, you can definitely follow me on Instagram. That's usually where I'm the most active, but I've started being active on Snapchat and Twitter a bit more lately. I always have my socials linked down below, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, bye.